Sanbonani and welcome to Wisdom X Makaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing and sharing lights for the world to become better. Today I want to talk about obudala. Inkinga zobudala zinzima, and I'm going to talk about this one issue that is trending. I'm going to talk about it. You find people in a relationship, right? In a relationship, they're married, and then they have a baby, and then problem starts. Inkinga ziyaqala ke manje. Or inkinga iqale mhlambe mawusakhulelwe unkosikazi umfazi. Inkinga iqale ke lapho. I'm talking about this today because I just want to share wisdom. And on my TikTok, there's someone who touched me and said, my husband left me and I'm pregnant and I'm about to deliver and all of that. Into abantu kumele bayazi ukuthi umshado is another journey, and a journey that you constantly need God in, because of now you've decided to take this person and make them a part of your life for the longest time. So when you decide to say yes to this person, uza ney'nkinga zakho, uza nemithwalo yakhe, na uza ney'nkinga zakho, na uza nemithwalo yakho, niyathwalisana. But kuhle if both of you guys, you know God, you fear God, you pray about your problems, bese konke kuyalunga. Inkathazo ke mangabe wena okhulekayo uyi-one and the other person yena akakhuleki, like ngiyingane yamakhehla, then I'm matched or I'm paired with someone who doesn't fear God, who doesn't even pray. Iy'nkinga lezo, iy'nkinga ey'nkulu, iy'nkinga ezinzima lezo, iy'nkinga ezinzima. But this is what I want to teach today. Every situation, whether it's good or whether it's bad, there's a reason for it. The enemy might be using that situation to hurt you, or make you feel bad, or make you to lose hope and faith in God. But trust you me, God is going to use that very same situation to win, to show you his power, to show you his greatness. I want to talk to women out there who are saying, nginomuntu ebengizona naye, ngikhulelwe, uyangishiya or ungishiyile or uyang-ectela. Ngesintu we normally say, maningaba nengane, sometimes ingane iyasenza kube ngathi ingane isichitho, meaning benizona nithandana, you became pregnant and then nahlukana because of nhlukaniswa ile ngane enayo. Spirituality is very complex, because when you get to see and realize some of the things ezenzakalela abantu besifazane, and into engifuna ukuyiphakamisa uma umuntu wesifazane, awuyikhetheli ukungashadi and awuyikhetheli futhi ukushada. Uma umshado ungaphanga wona in your journey, you cannot force it, because if you ungahamba uyofoster and then uzokuxaka mawuphakathi, that person will leave you. Noma ungathi umhambela inyanga kuphi kanjani, uma kungamelanga kube abe a part of your life, this person, eventually they will go. Wena ke who's meant to be with that person, ngokuthanda kaNkulunkulu uyanihlanganisa, nibombane, nibekezelelane, niqine nje, nibonelane, niphokophela, niyaphambili. Kodwa nje into engifuna ukuyiphakamisa is that you don't walk alone, but you're walking with your people. So now you might be crying out there that this husband left you and you are so heavily pregnant. But emaqinisweni is that amadoda la ngaphandle, amanye wawo awayiphethanga kahle. So ukukushiya kwakho, kukushiya nje akushiye lapho, it could be a blessing wena njengoba ubona ngathi isiqale kiso. You will deliver that baby kahle, a healthy fit baby. And let me tell you something, uNkulunkulu akasoze akunika umthwalo ozokusinda. Into ekumele ukuthi uyazi, angeke uNkulunkulu akunike umthwalo ozokusinda. Uvumile ngawe and uvumile ukuthi uyithwale lengane. Uvumile futhi nokuthi uyibelethe. Ikhule lengane. Lengane iyisibusiso. Focus on that. Focus on that. And continue to pray. And then eventually inkosi izokubonisa. Because of fana nalezi ingane eziphikwayo, ingane ingaphikwa. The father deny the baby and say akusiyona wami. Kanti udeny isibusiso. Angithi ubalekele isupport. Usaphethe uthando. Later on in life, then they realize that they've made a mistake. This child is turning to be something great. And this mother is so blessed in a way that this child is taking care of them. So sometimes uNkulunkulu bayakunika umntwana unika wena and ufuna ukuthi wena ukhuleke azokucacisela azokubonisa indlela ekuyona yona ekumele ukuthi iphile. Kwabantu kumele beyifundise ukuba strong and get into a relationship okanye in the marriage, not only focusing on the love, but also looking at this person reliable. Is this person the one for me? Base kushubile ngakwazi ukuma naye. Is this person my friend? Can we go through izimo different and still remain the same? Because siketshela uthando ningathandana namhlanje. Akusho ukuthi nothando hlezi nithandana wow, ku beautiful, ku all of that, because of you go through stages. Kunezinye izinto enihlangabezana nazo ezinzima ezinenza nje nifile ningasabi that young couple that used to kiss every now and again. It's not always the same. Enye into abantu kumele bayazi. So into engifunayo la ngaphandle, don't ever find yourself as a pregnant person going out there fighting for a man. Angithi uyena okhethela ukuphuma yenza izinto zakhe ezi-snacks, uyena futhi okhethayo ukuphuma aye kuloyo muntu loyo. Wena hlala phansi ukhuleka. Khuleka ungayeki. Khuleka uqinisele. Khuleka inkosi ikubonise amandla nokukhulu. Because as you are sitting there and praying, uNkulunkulu akasona isilima. uNkulunkulu uyawabona wonke ama-actions esiwayenzayo. uNkulunkulu uyakubona ubu-wrong, uNkulunkulu uyakubona ubu-right. And I'm talking about this because of impilo is so complex, you guys. Kangalo indlela ukuthi we meet people. I can meet someone, that the person, they tell me that they love me, only to find that this person, they take me on date, they say they love me. At the end of the day, I learned that this person is a child, or whoever that they were dating, they had a child. Am I the problem? I am not the problem, because of when I met the person and thought that this person likes me, this person is about me, and I didn't know this person that had other issues behind, but I continued with this person. Now that things are resurfacing, that this person is a child, this person is a family, this person is a wife, what must I do in this whole situation? I step back and let the person be. But you decide to step back and the person tells you that I'm no longer there. I'm no longer into this person. And I'm going to prove and I'm going to show you that I'm no longer into this person. So when sometimes you cry and say, this person left me. What have you done? We need to be able to reflect as women also and say, okay, uhambile. But there's two sides of the story, because of he wouldn't just leave because of sex only. But there's certain treatment, the way you treat them. A man goes la ngahlonitshwa khona. If you don't respect a man, trust you me, you can have a lot of money, you can be good in bed, but if you don't respect them, they will just leave you. So angifuni ukuthi ushadile uyithwele uphinde futhi wena uyiwise isithunzi by just getting out there and going to fight these people and fighting these people. Pray and focus on the state okuso, because of you don't want now to create more complications. Aphuma uyolwa, then uyalimala, or now uyalimala. Aphuma uyolwa, the child becomes physically challenged, or kube nama complications when you go and deliver. So you have to trust God with your life, with the situations that you encounter. Iqiniso ukuthi intombi la ngaphandle ishelwa ngamanga. Ndoda yafika ithi yonke into iright, ngithanda wena, yonke into ngifuna ukuyilungisa, ngifuna ukulungisa wena. Indoda yona iyazi ukuthi ithandaphi. Indoda yona iyazazi ukuthi ifunani. So don't ever think that a man doesn't know what they want. They know exactly abantu besilisa ukuthi bafunani. Then if you choose ukuphuma vele aphume kwangempela, don't try and bring them back. But pray for the God ukuthi understand this, akubonise isimo ukuthi wethu from here. Hamba juba bayokucutha phambili. If they meant to come back, they will come back. If they are not meant to come back, they will not come back. But into engicela yabantini besifazane, ungacabanga ukuthi ukuba nengane nomuntu usumbambile unomphela. Cha. Noma ungathiwa ushadile naloyo muntu loyo, sekulula ukudivorce kulezi insuku, abantu abasabi lutho. So into wena okumele ukuthi uyazi, khuleka uqinisele, khuleka ubheke yakhe impilo. Noma inkosi ikubusisa kusasa ikunika yona leyo ngane leyo, ithola uqinile. Naye lo muntu ozona naye akubone nje ukuthi uqinile ngaso sonke isikhathi, because of umsangano lo wenzakalayo la ngaphandle, ukuthi wena uzofuna ukulolana nendoda yakho, lolana nomuntu wakho wesilisa lokho luphuma uyale. Cha, you pray and you wait. Inkosi izokuphendulela. Noma isitha sona sithi sifuna ukukulaya, noma isitha sithi sifuna ukukusisa ubuhlungu, kodwa wena qinisela yebo kubuhlungu, because of obviously the society gives us this idea that it should be rosy, it should be wow, it should be like this, it should be like that. But unfortunately, you married the wrong one. You got involved with the wrong one. That is why kubheda. That is why kube kungakhona. Kodwa ngoba inkosi isithanda sonke, kanti futhi iminathi sonke, qinisela ukhuleke. And to everyone out there, happy Mother's Day. Akube ubumbana, akube uzwana, akube uthando. I know that Mother's Day is this month, May, and it's this week, so tubonke omama la ngaphandle. Siyanibonga kanti futhi siyanthanda.